Hello? Hello everyone. It's been a while since I've made a review on the channel. So, anyways, hey everyone. It's me, Interstate 290. Welcome to the Season 4 premiere of Memory Monday. So, for our first episode of Season 4, we're going to be taking a look at the Circus Cars. The most iconic super chases from the Cars Mainline, and they have been super rare and hard to find, but I did get most of them in 2021, which is good. With some good prices, and got some of my graduation money, which is nice. So here is the entire Circus Troupe. But first, let's take a look at all of their releases. Well, their only release was in the 2015 Mainline as Super Chases. They were one of the best Super Chases of all time in the Cars diecast line. And made with duct tape is the worst super chase because he's just a plain Mater and nothing special about him. Just the worst super chase in my opinion. But I think the Circus Cars are so much better because they're colorful and iconic, and they are Pixar cameos from the Bugs Life movie. And however, there's a screenshot of the Circus Troupe where they appeared. When Flixus gave us Circus Cars, how can they be Circus Cars when P.T. Flea was jumping? That was in the end credits of the first Cars movie. The ending is so memorable in the first Cars movie. Cars has a lot of iconic things. Even the first Cars movie, Cars 1 is so nostalgic and memorable up to this date. First, let's take a look at Circus Cab. Why? He is not special and doesn't have a nickname, so let's take a look at him. Here is Circus Cab. He is a unibody and orange hat, green body, date stamp. One made it 125th day of 2015. Nothing special, but I do like his colors though. They look interesting. Blue and yellow ropes. Big mirrors, red grill. His grill is just closed. He is so lazy and annoyed, I guess. Looks very, very well, and he is less rarer. I used to see him on Amazon for $20. His license plate says R6835 axle bend, muff flaps. Overall, looking like a nice truck, but my least favorite. So let's compare him to the Chick Kick Semi. I did get this at a collectible shop last year in March for $1, which is nice. I need to collect the Cars 1 semis because I love to collect Piston Cup stuff. The grills are just different. This one is so shocked. And this one does not have the hole, and the Kick Semi has the hole. License plates are different. They're actually both made in China. In my opinion, I actually like the Circus Cab more because of the colors. Now let's take a look at the Circus Pickup, aka Rimso. So here he is, looks very, very annoyed. He has a clown nose, blue eyes, Date stamp. 232nd day of 2015. Made in China. A nice pickup truck. And also the Circus Car. What I like about the Circus Cars because they have unique models. License plate says R6834. Same thing with the Circus pickup. He also has big mirrors like the Circus Cab I'm talking about. And red bumper. He's all white. Nothing else much to say. Let's compare him to Brian Fee Clamp. Even though models are similar. But Rimso has a lot of colors. I choose Rimso over Brian Fee Clamp. Brian Fee Clamp is more scared. Now let's take a look at the Circus Sedan, aka Clutchy. Now here's Clutchy, looks very, very shocked. Grill is closed, red grill. Mirrors are yellow. Orange roof, blue eyes. Made the 108th day of 2015. He's all dirty. He does have a different license plate. Unlike Rimso and the Cab, 47 M4U dipstick. On the other side is not dirty, but on this side it's very, very dirty. And this might be my favorite because I love this light orange in my opinion. Light colors are the best. Sometimes. Let's compare him to Annie Vapor Lock. Yes, in 2022, we actually got a Thailand Annie Vapor Lock. And yes, I do need to replace it for my Annie Vapor Lock. But look at this. Very, very damaged. Expressions are different. Annie is pretty enthusiastic. Clutchy is just more shut. And colors are different. Unfortunately, the license plates are the same, sadly. But which one is your favorite? I think I'll have to go with Clutchy because he was first released in Andy because of the license plate. So what is yours? Yeah, I'm hoping to get a new Andy this year. There might be a review on Andy Vapor Lock. Now let's take a look at the Circus van, aka Blinkie. So this guy looks so small. 14th day of 2015. His mirrors are so big. They're more like ears to me. He looks very, very depressed. The beige and magenta. I think on the good side, the Circus Cars are unibodies. License plate. License plate, come on camera, focus. R6833, same license plate with the Circus. No, actually, never mind. R6833 was close. He does look very, very nice, Blinky. But maybe he's my second least favorite, though. Let's compare with Minnie. Both models are similar. Minnie's a little bit bigger than Blinky, but Blinky is so much better than Minnie because Minnie has that creepy expression. Mattel never fixed Minnie's expression, sadly, which is just sad. Last but not least, those two. Honkers and Beep Beep. This one is actually GT and forklift, but let's take a look at Honkers. Honkers looks very, very happy. This was my last circus car to get. Same clown nose like Rimso, all yellow, a Fiat 750 of 2015. He looks more like of a clown. I do actually like his model though. Looks very, very nice. All yellow. Rims. No license plate. Along with the forklift because maybe Mattel or Pixar didn't have enough space to put the license plate. Overall, they look nice, but last but not least is the forklift, aka beeper. Same clown nose. Looks unhappy. 178 day of 2015. Has this red hair, like it can come off like Ferrari Guido. Blue eyes. Nice model, but no forks. Those circus cars are not that rare as Race Damage Mood Springs. Race Damage Mood Springs is such an iconic final lap release. Let's get out the driving characters. Let's include Todd the Pizza Planet truck because he was Pixar's cameo. And here we are with the Pixar cameos throughout Pixar's history. And that'll do it for Memory Monday Season 4 premiere. I really hope you enjoyed, and who's your favorite circus car? Circus Cab, Clutchy, Rimso, Clutchy, Blinkie, Beep Beep, or Honkers? I have to go with Honkers because of that yellow, or Clutchy, but what is yours? And we'll see you next time, and goodbye.